Today's topic is what are causes behind female hair losses at age of 20 or onward, 20s like 20, 21, 22, 20, so on 29, and 30s. Why I'm discussing these two scenarios like 20s and 30s girls together? Because in different areas the girls are married at different ages. Like in my country, in my region, most of the girls are they get married in mid 20s or like in late 20s, but in some areas like they get married at age of 30 or like so on. So we will be discussing this scenario together, because the reason behind hair losses in this age would be like little bit different than hair loss reasons behind hair losses in the age of 13 or 14 or 15, like teenagers, would be different than the 20s or 30s in married life. Because what I have been discussing multiple times with you, that surgical stresses, pregnancies, after pregnancies, the hair losses are very much common among ladies. Why it is happening? Like surgical stress is giving telogen effluvium. If it is going to be a surgery, like delivery is not normal with the surgery, then there would be a blood losses, and it should be compensated at any time, early after the surgery, or during the surgery, or after the surgery. It should be done by the gynecologist or doctor dealing with that young lady. So childbearing age again gives some stresses. They can't sleep properly, they can't eat properly, and they go into malnourished forms. So that is another reason. Thyroid diseases again, blood losses we are discussing. Gynecological hormones will not be acting upon at this stage too much, because yes, estrogen shifting is during pregnancy and getting mature at the after pregnancy. It would be a different, that causes a huge telogen effluvium, which I have been discussing multiple times in different videos. What we will be doing is, I would ask ladies at that age, like they will start feeling hair fall after birth, after 90 to 120 days of childbirth. They will not be feeling hair fall just after the childbirth, but they will be feeling hair loss after 90 to 120 days after the childbirth. That would be the stage when they will feel like that hair are going like in shedding like in bulks. They will feel hair fall, they will see falling hair everywhere in the washroom, in the pillows and everywhere. That would be the stage you should come to the doctor, and that disease is called telogen effluvium. That is temporary loss, which can be compensated, which can be corrected by the treating physician very soon. But if you miss that time or going to delay that phase, it can be permanent, and your hair losses will be increased in the coming years. So be careful at that stage. Take iron properly, hair vitamins, shampooing properly, which I will prescribe you. PRP is another solution, minoxidil other solution. But apart from this discussing here at treatment phases and each and every ingredient of the treatment on videos, you should come to the treating doctor. And who will treat the female hair losses? That is hair restoration surgeon. You should be going to hair treatment doctors who are dealing with the hair follicle. Thank you very much.